Hello guys, today I am here to tell you about the new module cron track. So now install the module first. So go to the apps and install it. Here you can see this is the cron track module. This is the index of this module. So first I am telling you what is the use of this module. This module is useful for track all the cron when run any cron. If that cron is failed some reasons, then you can see that error message, and you can also see the how many times cron is executed and how many times cron is failed. So let's go to the functionality of this module. So go to the settings, technical menu, and here you can see the menu of schedule actions, and here you can see the all crons. You can select cron and then you can see here the run report. If you can click on run report, then the display the fail time, run time, run date of the cron jobs, total time of count of cron, total time of cron fail count, last date cron, which date cron is run on last time. So this is the all detail of cron jobs. Here you can see these cron jobs, and here this is the total information of this cron name, what is the cron name, what is the total count of cron be executed, and here you can see the cron fail count. Here 6 times this cron is failed, so here you can say the tracking logs is 6 times this cron is failed. So here you can see the message of failing cron. This is the error message of for this failing cron, and this is the time for the failing cron and the name of the cron. And here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 times this cron is failed at running time. So this is the all about the cron track module. If you can notify our new modules and new videos, then please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.